अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम इस वक्त जो है शेख जायद रोड पे हैं और एक बड़े ज़बरदस्त किस्म के डेवलपर के पास आज हम एक नए प्रोजेक्ट की लॉन्च के लिए आए हैं। तो डेवलपर जो है ये बेसिकली डेवलपर नहीं है, डेका प्रॉपर्टीज़ जो है वो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स को जो है वो मार्केट कर रहा होता है और जो मार्केट के अंदर सबसे बेहतरीन प्रोजेक्ट्स होता है ना, उसको हाईलाइट करके बड़े ज़बरदस्त पेमेंट प्लान के अंदर कन्वर्ट करके और आपके सामने सारे प्रोजेक्ट को लेके आ जाते हैं। तो आज जो है इनका एक नया प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च हुआ है स्टूडियो सिटी के अंदर। तो आज हम अंदर जाएंगे और हमारे साथ जो है इनकी रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर है साया। साया आपको उस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में सारा एक्सप्लेन करेगी, है कहाँ पे, उसकी एमिनिटीज़ क्या है, पेमेंट प्लान क्या है और कब तक हैंड ओवर होगा, ये सारी डिटेल हम उनके पास लेते हैं। चल के आ जाए जी। तो हम जी डेवलपर के ऑफिस में आ गए और मेरे साथ जो है साया है। साया जो है यहाँ पर रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर का काम करती है, तो ये इंग्लिश में सारा आपको एक्सप्लेन करेंगी। अगर कोई सवाल वगैरह हो तो आप नीचे कमेंट बता दीजिएगा और ये सारा आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे। हाय साया, हाउ आर यू?
Good, and you?
Sir, you have to tell us about the new launch. Where is
Yes.
it happening? Why is it like? What is best in this project?
Yeah.
What is the location and everything? Tell us
Of
about the
course.
project.
Yes, sure. So basically, this is our one of the new project. We just today only we launched. So basically, it is name is a Laya Courtyard. Okay. So basically, one of the good things on this project, we are giving 3 years post handover, whoever like for investors and end users as well. Okay. And also the second thing is building is low rise. It is only 5 floors. So we have one studio and the one bedroom. So like it is very good.
Only studio and one
Yes,
bedroom.
studio and only one bedrooms.
Very
Okay,
nice.
so each apartment is coming with a one parking, and
Okay.
we have two sides. So we have the A and the B side. So both of sides we have the entrance. So we are now staying currently on the B side. It will be fully community view. It will be fully branded building. So it will be Italian European brands will be and a very good high quality. So this is on the rooftop. We have the sitting area. You can have relax, like open bar area. So this is where will be like you can have fun, and this is where will be the sauna, where will be like your steam room, and also on here on the middle we have over on this area fully Zen garden, and we have also biggest swimming pool. It will be coming with the jacuzzi. It will be with the adults, and for the kids jacuzzi will be also this is the on the A side. So on the only the first floor will be coming with the studios. Okay, from second to up to fourth floor will be coming on one bedroom. 5 floor is fully sold out. Okay, currently. So it is very good luxury building, and also the things on here why we are saying it is the best option. Currently on the Studio City, our building is obviously coming was next to the villa communities, which one we can mention like the Mark and the Arabian Ranches and also Greens community more. So basically, front of you the park and the community and the golf, everything will be
So
near to you.
at this side of the building,
Yeah,
we have
exactly
park.
the park. This is
Okay.
the will be coming the park over here. Okay.
Which famous community is nearby?
So Chilal Gulf here will
Okay.
be coming, and we have the Arabian ranches, Damak Hills, which one is the lagoons are over here, and this is very good option for the investors and for end user. Whoever is living in Dubai, they want to be next to the villa community, so you have the more amenities. And service charge will be coming only 12 to 14 dirham. That's also most one of the good things.
So, Saya, what is the handover for this project?
So it will be currently already construction started. So first floor is already finishing. So we have finishing on exactly the handover time. It will be 2026 in December.
Oh, nice.
So it's like one of
Maximum 2 years.
yes, 1.5 years.
That's
Yes, we are
that's
ready.
good. And what is the price for studio?
So studio currently prices we are giving exactly for today and for 1 week we can give you like from starting from 700k,
Okay.
and we have for one bedroom is from 993,000 dirham starting price.
Saya, I heard the payment plan is like 10% we can pay now.
Yes,
What is
yes. So basically, most of the developer in Dubai, like the Mark, Ellington, Shoba, whatever. So they are taking directly 20%, right? So this is like not easy to transfer all the end user and also for the like outside of countries. So basically, we are giving for the clients who can like easy to get. So 10% down payment, 10% after 2 months, and then every 3 months 5%, and then on handover 20, and they have 1% post handover 3 years. So why we are giving 50-50? So basically 50 is during the construction, and then if the people whoever living in Dubai, they can go for mortgage as well. So they can go with that, and then like post handover everything will be covered.
So it means the total amount, like 7% of the total amount, they can
Yes,
pay by their pocket,
yes.
30% from the bank.
Yes, yes.
So it's
So
a great
basically,
investment.
like 3 years post handover. So post handover is how it is work. So basically, Laya is a very good quality of the apartments. We have already delivered in Dubai many projects, also in outside. So also the things is the highest ROI. Currently, we have in Laya Heights. We are renting for the studios from 55,000 dirham. It's yearly. So like Laya Courtyard, it will be fully smart home building. It will be like voice control by the phone, everything you can control. That's all is like good things for which one is it for your clients to like appreciate. With the 3 years, they can rent very high ROI for the
Right
rent.
now, what is the rent for a studio in Studio City?
So in the Studio City currently from 55 to 75. It depends, it's a furnished, it's a new, and how it is like for the amenities. Depends on. For the one bedroom, it's like 68 to like 85, up to yeah. So
So
it
it will
is
be a
yeah.
good ROI. Like once
Yes,
the
good
handover will
ROI.
be done, so the rent for studio, I think it will be 65 to
Like
70. I think.
65 to 75 we can say. If it will be fully furnished and branded furniture, then it can be maybe up
So
to
is it
90.
furnished or not
So
furnished?
it will be not furnished, it will be semi-furnished.
Kitchen appliances.
The kitchen appliances, fridge, wash machine, gas, only for the studios. For one bedroom, we are offering also for the washing machine, which one as well. So it is good,
Nice.
for the on the kitchen. So it is good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Saya.
Yes.
So
Welcome.
everyone who wants to buy this studio or one bedroom in this Laya Courtyard, you have to just text us on the number given below, and then Saya and me will help you to get your first apartment in Dubai. Thank you so much. Thank you, Saya.